really delicious, healthy snack for you all. So I'm going to be making white chocolate dipped peanut butter dates. So it's a bit of a mouthful, but what you need for this recipe is 8 to 10 Medjool dates. You'll need 15 grams of the Happy Way peanut butter chocolate protein powder. You'll need about 150 grams of white chocolate, which I have melted. You'll need about 1 to 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter, about a teaspoon of pure maple syrup, and then this is optional. To stuff your dates with, I'm going to use walnuts and some cacao nibs. You can also use dried fruit or any other nuts that you have at home. Now, to make this recipe, first we need to slice our dates. So put a little slice in the middle and take the seed out and just open them up a little bit. And then we're going to make our peanut butter filling. So what we're going to do is mix our peanut butter, our maple syrup, and our protein powder together in a bowl until it's nice and well combined. And then we're going to spoon that mixture inside of our dates. We're then going to add in either our walnuts or cacao nibs, close up the date, pop it into the melted white chocolate mixture, coat it completely, and then pop it on a tray, and then allow that to set in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours.